This is construction work behind ferris for that new Ferris wheel. They're part of the construction for that new Ferris wheel called the Link. I was hoping I could catch some jackhammers, but it's not going to be working out. That's a lot of territory. Put up any part of that Ferris wheel yet. I have different people ask, can I take that picture for you? No, thank you, that's okay. Money is going into the wishing well. See if you can see it splash. Did you see that? I will go ahead and make 2 wishes. There's another one going in. Did you see that?